With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Failure is a word unknown to me. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the women. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword, and the other is the pen. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques or to any other place of worship in this state of Pakistan. We must develop a sense of patriotism which galvanizes us all into one united and strong nation. Come forward as servants of Islam, organize the people economically, socially, educationally, and politically. No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. Our object should be peace within and peace without. Maintain cordial, friendly relations with our immediate neighbors and with the world at large. Work, work, and work, and we are bound to success. We should have a state in which we could live and breathe as free men, and which we could develop according to our own lights and culture. You must concentrate on gaining knowledge and education. It is your foremost responsibility. We must work our destiny in our own way and present to the world an economic system based on true Islamic concept of equality of manhood and social justice. Do not be influenced by any political pressure or fear. Allah will guide you. Act with honesty and integrity. We should not forget that we had to struggle hard to achieve Pakistan. It should not be thrown away by insincerity and corruption. Remember that we are building up a state which is going to play its full part in the destinies of the whole Islamic world. Pakistan is the realization of the dream of a Muslim homeland. The great majority of us are Muslims. We follow the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. We are members of the Brotherhood of Islam. It is now up to you to preserve what we have achieved.